This is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany. We'll share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments. Okay, so on to our daily financial wisdom of the day. Simplicity has a power few traders can handle. And we're going to see how that's the case. We have just four trading rules, and you can't get any more simpler than that. And we follow those four rules through each of our charts. So our first trading rule is to make sure you pay yourself first. The second trading rule is to drop that stop loss in at the entry point once that trade takes off. Our fourth rule of trading is our 50 period simple moving average, which is our buy sell indicator. But whenever that's positioned in between the 200 and 500, that is our no buy, no sell zone. And our fourth rule of trading is patience. Okay. We want to keep it simple. Okay. So EUR/USD. Okay, so this market is a rule number three market. We haven't been able to get into this market for maybe a month and a half now, but we just have to be patient. Okay. GBP USD, that's another market we have not been able to get into because of rule number three. So stay out of that market. The reason why we have rule number three is because some of these markets are very, very erratic. And that is just to keep us safe out of danger zone as much as possible. We're shooting for 7 out of 10 wins. You're never going to win 10 out of 10, but we're shooting for 7 out of 10 times. So if we stay consistent, we stay by our rules, and we can achieve 7 out of 10 wins. Okay. USD CHF. So now this particular chart is a sell chart. We have been selling this particular market. We've been paying ourselves every day. We have our stop loss in at our entry point. And so we're going to be riding this out as long as possible. So some of these trends, we like to get in when these trends change. We like to get in with both feet. We jump in, we place our orders, and we let it ride. We sit back, we chill, we kick our feet up, and we're patient. You don't have to stare at your charts every day. This is long-term trading. Some of these trends can last up to 6 months to 2 years. So that's why I say that some of these markets will be long-term trading. So we're going to be paying ourselves every day. If you have a large enough account size, you can get a little bit larger lot size, and then that way you're able to pay yourself a lot every single day. Okay. Small accounts, you're not have that much cushion, but you are still able to pay yourselves every day. Okay. And then until you're down at just one lot size. Okay. USD JPY, rule number three is in effect: no buy, no sell. EUR CHF. Okay, friends, this is a market that we bought into a while ago when the trend changed. We put our order in there. We've been paying ourselves. Now, for everyone else who had not gotten a chance to get into this market, rule number three is in effect: no buy, no sell. You've missed your window. Okay. You may have another opportunity maybe in a couple of weeks, and then you can get into that market. EUR GBP. Okay, this is a sell market, friends. We have our sell order placed. Unfortunately, the market pulled back on us, so we're just going to be patient. This is still a sell market, so we're going to hold our sell trade open. Okay, we're not going to close it out until the market tells us that the trend has changed. In the event the trend change, go ahead and jump out, take our minor loss. We're taking minor losses maybe 2-3 times a month. So that is our quota: 2-3 times a month. We take minor losses, but we pay ourselves every day. EUR JPY. Okay, this is a market we bought into a while ago. We've been paying ourselves ever since the 50 period simple moving average moved out of the danger zone. We were able to jump in and place our buy order, and we've been letting this market rally. It rallied. We dropped our stop loss in at our entry point, and we're just paying ourselves every day. So our trade is protected, no loss. Okay. GBP, CHF. Okay, friends, this was a buy market. Pullbacks happen. I would not place a new buy order into this market because of the major pullback. So hold off on that market. GBP, JPY. Okay, friends. So yesterday we talked about placing a buy stop order in this market. So the 50 period simple moving average has moved out of the danger zone. So this is your opportunity to get your buy stop order in. Okay, only place buy stop orders. CHF, JPY. Okay, we have our buy order in. Everything is looking great. We're paying ourselves. We have our stop loss in at our entry point where our trade is protected. And so we're just coasting. We're on autopilot right now. Most of the markets that we're in, we're basically on autopilot. We're just letting the money, we're just raking in money every single day, okay, from our trades. Now we're going to take a look at our oil market. Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. So all of these markets were sell. We have gotten early signs that the trend is changing in these markets to a buy market. Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot. If you are to get into these markets, we make sure that it's a buy stop order only. Okay. I believe we were trading WTI spot. We're going to go ahead and pull out our sell order. This is the one time, this is the second time this month that we're going to take a loss. So we're going to go ahead and pull out that sell and reposition with a buy stop order. Okay, go ahead and take your minor loss. No big deal. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Rule number 3 is in effect for those who are in that who did not get a chance to get into that market. Rule number 3, ETH/USD. This is also another rule number 3. No buy, no sell for those who are currently not in this market. Okay, so let's take a look at the silver market. The silver market is a buy market. So we talked about those who had not had a chance to get into the silver market. Now is your opportunity, and you're only going to place buy stop orders into this market. We bought into this market back in October of last year. We had a buy order in, and we have just been letting it ride, just paying ourselves every day. We have our trade protected by we have our stop loss in there. And so we're just coasting along, just skimming off the top, okay? Taking a lot every day off of our trade, okay? And we're paying ourselves. Now let's take a look at the gold market. Okay, this is also another buy market. We went ahead and placed our buy stop order in here. So we're just waiting for the market to rally. It hasn't rallied yet to hit our buy order. But we like rule number 4, you have to be patient. USD MXN. This market has been trending sell for a very long time. We've been selling this since October of last year. Okay. EURNOK. And it just shows you how long these trends can last, friends. So, get in early and ride these markets either up or ride these markets down and just continue to pay yourself every day. Okay. EURNOK, another buy market. We bought into this market. We've been paying ourselves. All is well. EURZAR. This is another buy market. We've been buying this for quite a while, and we're just skimming off the top and paying ourselves. EURNOK. Okay, friends, this is also a buy market. We were in this market once upon a time. We had a buy. We had our stop loss in at our entry point. Market pulled back on us, knocked us out. But if you want to get back in, yes, definitely, friends, go ahead and get your buy stop orders in. It does look like the market wants to rally, so we'll see later this week if we're going to see some profits if it hits our buy order. But go ahead, buy stop orders. USD SEK. Rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. USD SGD. Okay, this market here, we sold this market. That was probably way back in November of last year. We sold this market and we've been selling it ever since, skimming off the top, paying ourselves every day. The trend has since changed, friends. It has changed to a buy market. So we went ahead. And we placed a buy stop order. So we have our buy stop order in. We're just being patient to see if the market starts to head north, starts to rally and hit our buy order. So we're very patient with that. In the meanwhile, we're still benefiting from the sell order we placed back in November. We're still reaping benefits from that particular order. USD ZAR. This is a buy market, friends. We placed our buy order in. The market has not rallied to even hit our buy order. So we're just being patient, which is rule number 4. CADCHF. This is a sell market. This has been a sell market since October, November of last year. It's still a sell market. We're just riding this market down. Doesn't get any better than that, friends. If you know the trend early on, you get on board. You get on board with the direction that the market is going in, okay? So we've been selling this one, paying ourselves. We have our stop loss in, trades protected. So this particular, most of our trades everything is on autopilot. You just sit back and just skim off the top and pay yourselves every day. And those days that we have to take a minor loss, we do. Okay. CADJPY. This is a market that we sold back probably November of last year. Now, for everyone else who did not get a chance to get in back then, rule number 3 is in effect: no buy, no sell. You missed your window. EURCAD. This is a beautiful buy market. We bought into this market a long time ago, friends. And we've just been letting this trade ride itself out, this trend out. So we're just paying ourselves traders. Our trade is protected, and we're just going to ride this out as long as possible. Okay. And like I said, it could be 6 months, 2 years, and we're just going to ride it out. GBP CAD. This is another buy market, beautiful buy market where we got in very, very early, months and months ago. And it doesn't get any better. Once you know the trend is your friend. USD CAD. Another buy market where we got in very early on and we've just been riding it up. AUD CAD. Okay, this is a sell market, friends, that we sold a while ago, probably maybe 6 weeks ago. But now for everyone else who did not get a chance to get into this market, rule number 3 is in effect. You missed your window. AUD CHF. A sell market. This is what we sold, I don't know, maybe a month, 6 weeks ago. It's still a sell market. It's, like I said, friends, these markets will, the trend stays a long time. So if you can get in early with these trends, you are doing yourself a great service when you can get in early and ride this stuff down. So, and then you drop that stop loss in, trades protected, everything's on autopilot. AUD JPY. This is another market that we sold when that trend changed back at probably, I don't know, December. But right now, for everyone who's currently not in this market, rule number 3 is in effect. You missed your window, okay? AUD, NZD. Rule number 3 is in effect. Friends, we missed our window. We're not in that one. AUD, USD. This is a sell market. We placed our sell trade, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, a week ago, something like that. We are seeing profits, friends. I hope you got your sell trade in here, because when these trends change, and when the 50 period moving average moves out of the danger zone, that is when you get in. Okay. So we're going to go ahead, pair sells. We're going to drop that stop loss in at the entry point and see how long we can ride this current down. EUR, AUD, a beautiful buy market that we bought in October of last year. Okay, beautiful, beautiful buy market. Hopefully you got into that as well and you pay yourselves. EUR, NZD, another beautiful buy market that we bought in probably a couple of months ago. We want to see how long we can enjoy the fruits of this particular market, okay? GBP, AUD, another beautiful, we got in, placed our buy order, and we are seeing the fruit of this great decision. We have to listen to the trend. The market knows which direction it wants to go in, okay? So the thing is, friends, that there's a lot of different strings pulling on these currency that's dictating the prices of these currencies. So we as traders do not have all the informations and the ins and outs of what's happening in these countries. But the market has compiled everything, all the strings that's being pulled in these markets, in these countries. The market is compiling all that information and placing it on the chart in front of you. So if you want to know what direction, which way to trade, look at the market, okay? Okay, so that's what we did. The market says buy, and we're buying, and we're seeing the fruit of that. So pay yourselves, drop that stop loss in at your entry point. GBP, NZD. This is also a buy market. We bought into this market. It's just doing a little slight pullback, but we're going to just be patient. The market will let us know. It's going to rally or it's going to pull back, but either way, the market will tell us what we need to do next. So right now, we have to be patient. NZD, CAD. Okay, friends, this was a market. This was a buy market we bought into long time ago, and we just been paying ourselves off of this market. Now, for everyone else who's not in it, rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell, stay out of it, okay? NCD, CHF. This is a sell market. We got in. Everything looks great. We're paying ourselves. Make sure you pay yourself and have that stop loss in at your entry point. So in the event um, something happens in the world scene, you're covered. Your trade is covered. You got your stop loss in. So if all heck breaks loose in the world, everything just go haywire, your trade is protected. Okay. NZD, JPY. Rule number 3 is in effect. No buy, no sell. We've missed our window. NZD, USD. This is also another rule number 3 market. We're going to look at the Dow Jones market. That is also a market that we're not going to be getting into because of rule number 3. No buy, no sell in that market. Market is very, very erratic right now. Now, the S&P 500, that is also a market that we're not going to get into due to rule number 3. Just have to be very patient, okay, friends? US Tech Index. This is also another market. And don't just get disheartened about that. We have a whole bunch of other markets that we are currently in. But the markets that we cannot get in right now, that's for our benefit. We just stay out of it. It's a lot of markets that we're trading right now and that we will be trading soon. But that's US Tech. So that is a rule number 3 market. So moving on. Japan Index. Is okay. So now, friends, Japan Index has given us the AOK that now we can place our buy stop order in Japan index. So as we have the AOK. So go ahead and place your buy stop order, okay? And then for DE30 index, this is also a buy market. We have our buy stop order in. We are just waiting patiently for the market to rally. And then UK 100 index. This is a sell market, friends. So we have our sell trade in. The market pulled back and back and back, but it's still a sell market. The trend has not changed. So until the market tells us that the trend has changed, we will go ahead and just leave that sell order in there, and we'll just be patient. And now, if the trend changes, we'll go ahead and just pull that sell stop order out, and we will reposition with a buy order and take it from there. Okay. Okay, friends. So that will conclude our chart analysis for today. We will be back tomorrow for more daily financial wisdom and trending market analysis.